Geometrical constructions. Geometrical constructions involve use of construction instruments such as a ruler, pair of compass, pair of dividers, protractor, set square, etc. to draw accurate figures which may be lines, triangles, squares, cuboids, circles, etc. Let's look at construction of a line of a given length. To construct a line of a given length, draw a straight line using a ruler. So the straight line using a ruler. There is a straight line drawn using a ruler. Mark one end with an arc. So one end is marked with an arc like that. Measure the required length and place the sharp point of the pair of compass on the marked ends. So the sharp point of the pair of compass is placed here on the marked end, and mark on the other end of the line an arc at a distance equal to the required length of the line. So the blue arcs represent the line of a given length, which we can label as line AB. So line AB is the required line of a given length. Let's look at construction of perpendicular line. To construct a perpendicular line, join 2 points using a straight line. Now, with the 2 points as the centers and radius fixed, use a pair of compass to mark arcs which will intersect on either sides of the line joining the 2 points. The straight line joining the 2 arcs is the required perpendicular bisector of the line joining the 2 points. So the procedure we have a straight line, the straight line is joining 2 points. We have 2 points, A and B. So with the 2 points A and B, with A as the center, we mark an arc above the line and below the line. Similarly, with B as the center, we mark a line, an arc above the line, and another arc below the line to intersect. The two lines intersect the two arcs drawn with A as the center and B as the center, intersect above and below the line. Join the intersection of the arcs using a straight line. That intersection, the line drawn is the required perpendicular line between is the required perpendicular bisector of line AB. Which will be right angle. It will be at 90 degrees with line AB. To construct a perpendicular through a point on a given line, in this case, we have a given line and a given point P. So we want to construct a perpendicular through point P. Now with the given point as the center, mark two arcs on the given line. So with P as the center, mark two arcs on the given line. Then, using the two arcs marked on the given line, mark with the 2 points on the line, with the two arcs on the line as centers, mark an arc above and below, with the second arc as the center, mark an arc above and below. Join the two arcs using a straight line. To obtain the line that's a perpendicular that passes through point P, which is the point on the given line. Drawing a perpendicular through a point on a given line using a set square. Place the right angle tip of the set square at the point the perpendicular line is to pass through, as one of the edges making the right angle lies on the line. So, given the line, given the straight line, and given the points P, the perpendicular line is to pass through place the straight edge of a set square and draw the required perpendicular line to pass through point P along the edge of the set square. To pass through point P. So the green line is the required perpendicular through point P. So this is the required perpendicular line that is the perpendicular line through P. Construction of angles using a pair of compasses and a ruler only. There are special angles that can be constructed using a pair of compasses and a ruler only. These angles include 90 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, 15 degrees, 7.5 degrees, 75 degrees, 105 degrees, 150 degrees, 135 degrees, 120 degrees, etc. The basic angles are 90 degrees, 60 degrees, and 30 degrees. The rest of the angles listed above are obtained by bisecting the basic angles.